Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play virtual guitar. To begin, you will need a computer, a MIDI controller, and a digital audio workstation, or DAW. This setup allows you to create a vast array of guitar sounds without a physical instrument. It offers incredible flexibility for sound design, recording, and performance, opening up new creative avenues for musicians. We will cover everything from initial setup to advanced playing techniques. Setting up your virtual guitar system is straightforward. First, install your preferred digital audio workstation software, like Ableton Live or Logic Pro. Next, connect your MIDI controller to your computer using a USB cable. This could be a keyboard or a dedicated guitar controller. Finally, ensure your audio interface is properly configured for low latency sound, allowing for real-time playing and recording with minimal delay. Once set up, you can begin mastering basic techniques. Start by learning fundamental chords and scales on your MIDI controller, just as you would on a physical guitar. Explore the extensive library of virtual amplifier models and effects pedals within your DAW to shape your unique sound. Consistent practice, even for just 30 minutes daily, will significantly improve your playing proficiency and musical expression. To elevate your virtual guitar playing, delve into advanced features within your DAW, such as automation, layering multiple sounds, and creating custom instrument racks. Record your compositions and performances, then share your unique musical creations on various online platforms. Engaging with virtual guitar communities can also provide valuable insights, collaboration opportunities, and inspiration to further refine your skills and artistry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.